How to get refund from Xsolla. Let's get started. Whether it's for a duplicate purchase, missing item, or faulty product, here's exactly how to get your money back. First, log into your Xsolla wallet account. If your purchase does not appear under the purchases section, you can add it manually. Once your purchase is listed, submit a refund request using the built-in form. Alternatively, you can contact support directly at support@xsolla.com if you're facing issues. So launch your preferred browser and navigate to this one website, help.xsolla.com. Scrolling down, you're gonna find this section, Submit a Ticket. Now you'll need to fill out this form. Type in your name, email address that is linked with your account, transaction number, and in the message, describe about the issue that you want a refund. Also, you can upload the pictures of your account. Keep in mind, refunds are allowed for used software, activated digital content, NFTs that are already minted. All refunds are sent to the original payment method and can take up to 10 working days to process. So this is how you can request for a refund from Xsolla. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.